इससे पहले हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज वो दिन है जब कि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा फन करने वाले हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय करने वाले हैं। जेंडर रिवील के साथ साथ बेबी शावर है और हमारी सब तैयारियां हो चुकी हैं। अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ क्या कुछ हम लोगों ने प्रिपेयर किया है और क्या कुछ फन एक्टिविटीज़ होने वाली हैं। जैसे जैसे लोग आएंगे वो भी आपको दिखाते रहेंगे। आई होप आप लोगों को मज़ा आए और एंड तक वीडियो को ज़रूर देखना। और अभी मुझे जल्दी से कमेंट्स में बता दें आपको क्या लग रहा है कि जेंडर रिवील में क्या होने वाला है, बेबी बॉय या बेबी गर्ल। सबके रिव्यूज लेंगे और फिर हम लोग तो यहाँ पे मैं अपनी बहन से सबसे पहले पूछना चाहती हूँ कि उसको कैसा आज का दिन लग रहा है।
Hi baby, I'm your Masi and I know who you are and I'm not gonna give any spoiler.
I'm in गर्ल टीम, तो मैंने पिंक पिंक से पहने हैं कपड़े। और तुम किस टीम में हो?
गर्ल।
So we are in girl team. So let's see. Boy. So team boy. कौन सी टीम हो?
टीम गर्ल।
टीम गर्ल, ओके। टीम गर्ल कह के तो टीम बॉय ले लिया। पिंक।
टीम बॉय ही हूँ मैं। वाइफ ने बोला नहीं तो लड़की की टीम में आ गया।
टीम गर्ल। और यहाँ पे डिबेट्स चल रही हैं कि कौन सी टीम गर्ल है, कौन सी बॉय है। और वाकई में टीम गर्ल है या बॉय है, तो अभी तक स्टिल सरप्राइज है। लेट्स सी के क्या होने वाला है।
Team girl or team boy?
Twins.
Oh, I wish. It's late now.
Well, they're both nice. I have two girls, so I don't really care, but I think it's probably a boy.
You vote for it.
Are you a team girl or team boy?
Team girl,
Girl power. Thank you. Okay. Got it, present.
Do you want to know the gender? I'm just charging 200 for that.
Oh my goodness.
इस पे अपना नाम लिखना है, just write your
जो
name.
कि टीम बॉय को वोट दे रहे हैं।
Oh, we have more people saying boy.
या जो भी आ रहा है ना, बॉय बॉय बोल रहा है। बॉय या
I think boy too.
You were a team boy, right?
look at me. You look so pretty.
You gave it a new name.
हाँ।
Oh my god.
Looks like.
I'm girl. He's a boy, but we had opposite. Okay. Go vote there. Go vote there.
तो हमारे यहाँ पे टीवी लग गया है।
Team girl or team boy?
I don't mind. Both of them are cute.
No, but you have to choose.
Boy.
Boy.
Okay, go write your name on a blue slip.
Okay, yeah. I'll get some pens. And if you want team girl, you have to pick up the yellow one.
So do we
pink
get some
one.
out of
Yeah.
Let me just get a pen for you.
I have to record everything.
Advice for new parents.
इससे पहले हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट आए हैं बहुत दूर से। आप सबका पेट फुल कर रहे हैं।
Yeah. So are you excited that Mona made it? Yeah. She was really looking forward to see you. Yeah. ये लोग नाइग्रा से आए हैं। Hello everyone.
एडवाइस कार्ड फिल हो रहे हैं। अपना नाम जरूर लिखना। आप भी एडवाइस मुझे देना, ठीक है? नाम लिखना ताकि मैं बाद में जान सकूं।
We are going to reveal the gender. If someone would like to change the vote or if someone has missed the chance to vote, please go for it. And if you like to have a hint, I'll just charge $200. And grab your badges for team girl and team boy. There are some amazing shades for that. You want to take one? Go. Did everyone voted?
I voted.
So mommy and daddy, are you ready for the reveal? There would be no 1 month return policy.
Team girl.
Don't expect.
Let me record.
रिकॉर्ड करो इसकी प्लेट जैसे वो
खा ले।
इतना स्ट्रेस शेक।
Ready to listen to some advices? experience-based advices. Yeah.
Non-experience-based too.
Non-experienced, experienced, everything. So Himani has written, always love, care of the precious one, and do not forget to change the wet diapers. And now Jinal, always support, never judge them. Don't forget to say I love you. And now Richa, always sleep when the baby sleeps. Unless you have dishes, laundry. Never say no to do help from friends. Yum. Thank you. And don't forget to enjoy the moment when clicking pictures with phone. Love, Richa.
Thank you.
And don't forget to binge watch all the Netflix series. This is the only time, yeah. Only time.
Okay, now this one is from Adam. He is also experienced one. Always be easy on yourselves. Nothing has to be perfect. Never overplan their future. Don't forget to express love, to always say it. With love, Adam.
Thank you.
And this is the very precious one from...
Oh, cute.
She put so much effort and thought what to write, and she was looking for appropriate words. She has lots of advices to give, but those were not appropriate to write. So she was discussing what should be the appropriate word for that.
Cute.
Okay. Always have fun. Never make mess. Don't forget your love.
Oh, cute.
Okay, this one is from the favorite chachu, Mo. Always be kind to your child. Unless he or she misbehaves, then slap. Yeah. Never shake the baby. Sleep more than the baby. Don't forget to take time for yourself and your wife or husband. Mo. Where is Ramsha? Okay. Okay, now this one is from Rahul. Naam to suna hi hoga. Always love after him or her. Never sleep first. Don't forget to enjoy with peace. Rahul. Okay, this one is from Manoj. I think he's not around, but you guys have met him. He was the first one to come, and he's getting food for you all. Okay, so always stay happy and blessed. Never let tough times hit you. Don't forget to give yourself time. With love, Manoj. And there is a smiley.
I can see it.
Okay, now this one is from Falak, Manoj's wife. Always be calm and patient. Everything gonna be alright. Never let anyone come in your family way of living. Don't forget to live yourself. We'll be waiting for your videos. Falak. This one is from Veena, her mommy. Always kiss. Not kiss. But kiss, hug, snuggle. Never get tired. Don't forget times fly so fast. Veena. And this is from Ismail. Always be patient. This comes with lots of experience, guys. Always be patient. Don't forget it's...
Again, be patient.
Yeah, again be patient. So patience is the key. And there are few more. I hope you guys are enjoying the advices, right? Always be patient and enjoy this moment. Never feel alone or feel bad for your body. Don't forget, spend time with your better half. With love, is this Mona? Yay! Always be kind to your baby and laugh when she or he cries. Never forget, take care of yourself. Enjoy your free time before he or she. I think it should become more. Sorry guys, I'm very bad at reading, so please.
Which one is the one with the weird?
Okay. Always tell baby I love you as much as you can. Never let them down even if they have a mistake. Don't forget to sleep. This is an anonymous advice. There is no name. Okay. And this one is always remember your blessings. Never let baby watch 𝐂𝐿𝐴. Don't forget you can't pour from an empty cup. So take care of yourselves as well. Ramsham.
Oh.
So I have not got a chance to write anything, but I would like to add here. Always tell your baby that his or her Masi is the best. Never tell them no when I want to take them to McDonald's. And don't forget that I am and I will always be there for both of you and for the next one.
Thank you.
Okay, so I think we are very, very, very close to gender reveal. Yeah, we are just waiting for two guys who just went to get food for you guys. So, can I hear girl team?
Yay!
And boys team?
Some more votes for girl. हाँ, रखो इधर.
ये वो सब ये ना समझना कि बैच है. ये उठाओ इसको.
So हमारा यहाँ पे जो है खाना चल रहा है. स्टिल जेंडर रिवील हमारा इसके बाद होगा. Let them eat first.
Your hands in the way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a boy! Yay! Thank you so much. It's a boy! It is a boy! Yay! Sarah's Where's the small Priya? Holy.
बहुत ब्लू कलर लग गया.
Yeah, it's a boy. Okay guys, time to lucky draw. Team boy से कौन winner है? No, just one. So this is Veena. You want to do 3 winners? Okay, I'll do second winner.
Veena gets to change most diapers.
वहाँ पे बास्केट में उनका गिफ्ट है. वो पीछे बास्केट पड़ा है ना टोस्टर के साथ. Okay, and the second Veena को. And the second one is Rahul.
The whole thing?
One.
And the third one is, who is this?
It's a boy.
It's a boy, there is no name.
Give me that. I am.
Oh.
It just says.
So just 3 lucky winners today.
I'm gonna read the girl.
Okay, just read the girl. For the next time. So whoever wrote girl has to pay back.
I don't understand this.
Joining us for this great moment.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And they organized it.
So there is no nani or dadi or anyone from the family, but this is our chosen family. So we are so glad to have you guys here.
Now time to cut the cake.
छुरी पीछे छुरी ना वाइट वाली. अब तो ब्लू भी ले सकते हो. Now we know. चलो देखो इधर।
ठीक है, काट दूं?
What should we sing?
Happy birthday.
No. The wheels on the bus
Go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Thank you.
And this is the Cocomelon.
So fun.
Oh, you like this song? Okay, sing it loud.
So friends, से पहले we're gonna take the things out. Okay.
ये आप ही संभालना है इसको। But it's a beautiful tree.
देख लेना एक बार इधर।
I don't want a cake.
Mama, guys, take
One last photo.
I don't want to eat a cake.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. एक ही साइड से भी। Are you better at cutting?
वो उसको ना ऐसे करने लगे उसके कलर के
तो ये जो जमी जमी केक था इसका सब कुछ खत्म हो गया।